Well, good morning, weather.comers. We had a little scare. I don't know if I call it a scare. I'll probably call it a scare last night because we're a little concerned about surge from where we're located. And we have a river that we were showing you yesterday that we were along, and there's also a couple lakes around us. So my producer, Jim Gagne, which I wish he was around here, we'll show him to you. He called me and said, Steph, do we have to worry about this lake overflowing? Is it going to be, Lake Pontchartrain with Katrina? So what I did was I called one of our meteorologists who back at work and said, listen, I got to talk this through with you. Are we going to get bad surge? We're going to get a north wind. Is that lake going to overflow? So this is one thing I did last night. I want to show you. I actually went on some Google Maps, and we're in Morgan City right here, and to our north there's a couple really big lakes. And we were going to get a north wind off the lake, and so we were a little concerned perhaps of this lake maybe spilling over into where we're located. And again, this is that river we were reporting from yesterday. There was a big flood wall, and we were on that river. So look, we are completely surrounded by water where we're located here in Morgan City. So for a while there, we weren't quite sure if we should stay here as Gustav was approaching. But what happened was a little dry air got into the system, and it wasn't really strengthening. And so it looked like that we'd be okay if we stayed here. So here we are. We're staying here. It's just the beginning of the storm. It hasn't made landfall yet, and we just have really not even rain. So we'll see what happens, but I think we're going to be okay for now. So check back later to find out what happens.